How grateful am I that I was able to work with Sir Nico here in Mindanao region. Travel from General Santos City, South Cotabato to Davao City. Our planned visit in a mining company here in Davao del Norte. To include also our planned visit in Solid Cement in Luzon. And for me, it was a wonderful experience working with Sir Nico. At lalo na yung umakyat pa kami sa planta ng mining company na ang lugar ay maputik, maingay. Ngunit wala akong nakita ang pagod sa kanya at nag-enjoy pa si Sir na alamin ang bawat detail ng buong operation. Example nito kung ilang grams of gold per ton ang ma-process and so on to qualify a good clients, as he said. And most of all na inalam din ni Sir Nico on how our products help significantly in the whole operation process. Kaya isa lang ang masasabi ko kay Sir Nico is not just a boss, but a true leader as well in Unilox. Sir, happy birthday to you and wishing you good health.